Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoCoin Investor. In this video, I'll be discussing the Ripple USDT pair, XRP USDT pair, as well as the XRP BTC pair. This is the 4-hour chart of the XRP USDT pair fetched from the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. I'm using Binance because it has the maximum volume for this very pair, XRP USDT. So you can see that on the 7th of September, we saw a little crash, drop in the price of XRP from highs of 1.41 cents to almost under $1. Congratulations if you bought the top here, if you bought the dip here, because you're already in profit now. Unfortunately, I didn't have buy orders, so I was only able to buy some at 1.08, around these levels here. I think I bought it. So September is usually not a great month for cryptocurrencies. Usually we see 15 to 30% corrections in the prices. So after a crash like this, it doesn't ring any alarm bells for me. That said, I'm being cautious here because what I would like Ripple to do is move and break above 1.17 prior $1.17. This is the area of resistance. So what I want this to do is go above this area, retest it, this very level, and then chase new all-time highs. And yes, I strongly believe that if the Bitcoin um, does not go below 38,000 or $40,000, doesn't fall below those levels, we will see an all-time high on the Bitcoin chart as well. And if Bitcoin rises in price, all that liquidity will go into large caps like Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and then the money will move into mid caps like Stellar, um, Dash, Ethereum Classic, and so on. So right now, for the month of September, um, if if this was the worst that could happen, I would like Ripple to gain some steam and go above this $1.17 range, retest this very area, and then go above. And I think that is totally possible. The MACD has reset it, so MACD is looking bullish. And let's move to the one-day chart real quick. So this is the one daily chart of the Ripple, and hopefully I would like Ripple to bounce off the 50-day moving average here and is higher price targets. And if it is able to surpass the $1.42 we in no time we will visit $2 area. And a very important thing to note is there are rumors circulating around that we are on the verge of getting verdict from SEC. And if the Ripple is able to sort it out positively with SEC, Coinbase will be relisting this, and we can expect a huge bump. And we already saw a trailer yesterday. What happens when Coinbase what happened when Coinbase relisted the XRP for just half an hour or so. So yesterday, uh, for a very brief moment, these pairs went live, and the price went from 1.1 to 1.25 in just half an hour, and then it dumped because later on the trading was, I think, halted. I don't care on Coinbase, but something like that happened. So imagine this was a strong move, giving us around 13% profit in just half an hour. Imagine what if Coinbase permanently opens the gate for XRP traders. The FOMO will be euphoric, and I think on the very same day, um, I will not be surprised if we just cross $2, if we cross $2 mark and blast past $2.5 mark in a single day, because Ripple has done something like that in the past. For that, open the Poloniex weekly chart. Let me hide this indicator as well so you get a better idea. So back in 2017, in early January 2018, the Ripple went from $1.64 to 3.46 in a single week. And imagine, and here the Ripple took 4 weeks to go from 18 cents to $3.50. Can you imagine this move? This was 1600% move. Imagine something like this happening right now. Now, I'm not saying we will see gains like 1600% now, because there is something called law of diminishing returns. But even if uh, we want to see what kind of targets we are looking at. So for that, let's just draw a simple Fibonacci here to give us an idea of where we are right now and where it could take. Wait a second, let's just scratch Poloniex because it doesn't have much volume. Let's go to the Binance and let's draw Fibonacci here because I don't want to deal with exchanges which have very less volume. So if you move up after deploying the Fibonacci, you can clearly see that there's basically very less resistance between $2.84 and $4.31. So I think by the end of December, if Bitcoin stays on track, uh, we will be able to see 4 or at least a 5 or 5.77. So basically $6 Ripple is totally possible by the end of this year, or maybe before this year, if we see a peak a bit early, like 15-20 days before the end of this year. So a move like this from current levels to, let's say, $5.77 is still around 500%, and till $6. Yeah, till $6 it's with 445%, and at the top of this Fibonacci, uh, we will get more than 500% in profit. So if I am being realistic, and if I enter here, if I enter a long-term position here, I'll be looking forward to sell some of my Ripple at 2.86, and followed by somewhere around $3.50, which was the previous resistance level, and then at 4.31, and then I'll keep 10 to 15% of my moon bag, which I will sell around here. So that's my long-term plan for Ripple. But short term, we are in the accumulation phase, and we just need to pray that the Ripple is able to sustain these levels. On the weekly chart, you can clearly see that we are right now being supported by this moving average of Ichimoku, and we are above. No, we are not. We are below this another moving average of Ichimoku here. So we are below this level, $1.2, and we are above this blue line, which is at $0.97. So I think for Ripple to go completely berserk, we must go above and stay above and close above this both of these red lines. Also, I would like to see a bullish crossover of this red and of this blue line and red line, with the blue line going above this red line, because you can see that. Oops, let me remove this. So you can see that here, when we had a bullish crossover here and the blue line went above the red line here, the Ripple price increased substantially. And when the opposite happened, the bearish crossover happened, the price went down here just drastically. And this can be seen on 4-hour chart as well. Here, the blue line was above the red line, everything was fine. But as soon as we saw the crossover here, we should have gotten out, basically got a warning like 4 hours prior to the crash, if we see this chart. So any good trader, any non-long-term trader would have gotten out at 1.33 cents, and you could have avoided this crash. So Ripple is accumulating in this level right now, and in this level, I would say, yeah, between $1, $1.02, and $1.15. So it is accumulating between this level, and I would like to see a breakout very soon. So let's look at the XRP BTC chart real quick. So this is fresh from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange, and just like the USD chart, we are in this accumulation range right now. So just like USD chart, I'm expecting a break to the upside very soon. Where's that tool? Yeah. So I'm expecting this to go like this, test, and then go up. The long-term chart of the XRP BTC is looking very bullish, and I'm expecting to see a lot of fireworks on the weekly chart. We are on the verge of getting above this red resistance cloud, and I'm expecting huge spikes in the coming weeks or so. Let's look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart is looking very bullish. I think we have not seen proper pumps. And I think once SEC clears the image of Ripple, we will see massive pumps. One very important thing to see on the monthly chart of XRP BTC is that we are above both of the resistance level, and we are on the verge of seeing this blue line going above this red line. And I think that would result in massive spike in XRP price against Bitcoin. Here you can see that we have a strong resistance at 12,000 sats or something, and that's really far away from now. If you're thinking of entering a long-term position on Ripple, this could be the best time because we see dips on in September, and this is the time where you should be buying, not panic selling your precious altcoins. So that was my outlook about the XRP token, and that's all about it. Give this video a like to show your appreciation, and stay subscribed for more price analysis videos like these. Bye bye.